Understanding Common Lathe Issues, a guide for beginners. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's crucial for both beginners and seasoned professionals in the world of machining: common lathe issues. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your knowledge, understanding these issues is key to mastering the lathe. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of the lathe together. Before we delve into the common issues, let's quickly define what a lathe is. A lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about an axis of rotation to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, deformation, facing, and turning, with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about that axis. One of the most common issues with lathes is alignment problems. Misalignment can occur in several parts of the lathe, such as the headstock, tailstock, or the bed. This can lead to inaccuracies in your work, such as uneven cuts or improper shaping. It's crucial to regularly check and adjust the alignment of your lathe to ensure precise work. Another frequent challenge is tool wear and tear. The cutting tools used in lathes undergo a lot of stress and can become dull over time. This can result in poor quality cuts and more difficult machining processes. Regularly inspecting your tools for wear and ensuring they are sharp and in good condition is essential for maintaining the quality of your work. Lathes require proper lubrication to function smoothly. Lack of lubrication can lead to increased friction, which can cause overheating and damage to the machine. Ensuring that all moving parts of the lathe are well lubricated will prevent many common issues and extend the life of your machine. Vibration is another issue that can affect the precision and quality of your work. Several factors can cause a lathe to vibrate, including imbalanced workpieces, loose components, or an uneven floor. Identifying and addressing the source of vibration can significantly improve the performance of your lathe. Thank you for joining us today as we explored some of the common issues faced when working with lathes. Remember, regular maintenance and a keen eye for detail can prevent most problems before they start. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to becoming more proficient with the lathe. Until next time, happy machining!